How to change currency in TradingView. In this video, I am going to show you how you can change and choose other currencies. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see this charts option. Tap on charts. Here, you'll be able to select the company that you want to see the chart of. So here on the bottom, you can see this chart options. So you can select the company from here. Now, in order to change the currency, here on the right top, you can see this drop down button. Tap on it. Here you can select the currency in whichever form that you want to say in. So here choose the one that you want to like or change into. So as you can see, it has been changed into Australian dollar. So the prices will be shown accordingly. So you can change it again from this drop down and you're done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.